Hello, my lovely little sixth graders. Hey, if you are supposed to be at school today to participate in our second day of lab, but for some reason you cannot be in the building in person, I'm going to talk you through what your process is going to look like at home. You're still going to complete the assignment, but you're going to be doing it at home. First thing you're going to do for science today is you are going to find the new October I Wonder About the World form that I have posted on Classroom. You'll find it under the topic of I Wonder About the World. That's where they live. So you're going to start the new October form, copy and paste this picture that I took actually just on Sunday on a hike. So make some good I Wonder About the World statements in your October form, then move on to the next task. So for your next task, you're watching this video. But for your next task, here's what we need to do. Your learning targets. I will test my rules in order to see if my rules distinguish between a physical change and a chemical change. And I will know I'm successful when I observe and collect data to test my rules and complete the period by revising my rules if necessary. But first things first, if you haven't completed your rules, that's what needs to happen first, because you can't test your rules until you finish the rules. So let me take you over to the document and show you what needs to happen before you start the new lab. So last time you were in the building, we did these experiments and you collected data on all of these. And then as we scroll down to the bottom, this is the part that you need to make sure you have completed. There should be 4 physical changes might be indicated by, and 4 a chemical change might have been indicated by. So you need to make sure you have those completed and make sure you have this sentence finished. I think there are differences between physical and chemical changes because that's your first job. Make sure you did your at-home work last time you were working from home. Once you've showed me those rules, I will give you all the things that you need in order to participate in day 2 of our lab. Let me take you over to the document that you're going to be filling out today while you're doing day 2 of your lab. All right, you should have that link to this in Google Classroom. It is the second chemical and physical change lab, day 2. What you're going to do is you are going to develop a set of rules for identifying when a chemical change has occurred and when a physical change has occurred. You're going to copy and paste your rules from day 1 in here. So this is where your rules are going to be housed. And all you need to do is copy and paste the 4 rules that you created last time you were working from home. Once you have done this and you have shown me what you've done on your paper, if you're in the building, I will give you your supplies for completing the labs. If you, for some reason, are not in the building, here's what we're doing. We're going to move down to step 3. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different changes. You're going to make those observations and fill in this chart. Just like we did before, you've got your before observations and your after observations. If you're in the building, you're actually going to be mixing these things. If you're not in the building, you're going to click on the video so that you can still participate and watch as the physical or chemical change is occurring. Then after you watch the videos and you've made your before and after observations, you're going to fill in this part down here. This must be a physical change or chemical change. Those are your 2 options because of why. So you need to let me know this must be a physical change because of this, or this must be a chemical change because of this. After you're done with that, you can hit the turn in button and have a lovely afternoon. I'll see you when you're back in the building. Don't forget, if you're at home, but you're supposed to be at school, I still expect work to happen, and I put the video links in here so that you can keep caught up. Thanks, guys. Love you all. Bye-bye.